Alright, it's your boy TMF, aka AAA, back at it again with another K-pop reaction. And like always, if you have any suggestions, please let me know because I'm always down to listen to more K-pop. So this next group, which is April, I don't know anything about. Straight up, I don't know anything about this group. Cake actually sent me a link to the song, thinking that Cake thought I liked this group, but I don't recall ever knowing this group at all. So Cake was definitely confused. Having said that, I definitely wanted to check them out. I think this is pretty new, pretty sure. So this is April's The Bluebird. 2, 1. I was excited to see. Oh, it is kind of March 9th. Alright, let's see who catches my eye. This is always good. Ooh. I think that's an arpeggio. The back. Alright, how's it gonna build? Okay. Ooh. Okay. I think my favorite has to be this girl in the train. So sweet. Ooh. This is that little dip, like, throws me off in a good way. You think it's gonna keep building, but it goes. This is really enjoyable. Ooh. It's so weird because, like, I was expecting a last note, but it just keeps dropping. And that's actually pretty interesting. Let's see, comments. It has... I can see why Cake thought I would like, or I could see why Cake thought I liked this group without, actually having liked it, because their concept is very similar to a Pink, and to be honest, this seemed like it reminded me of a Pink's Remember, but in a slower version. And not to saying that's a bad. I'm not trying to compare the two, like saying like April is like a Pink or anything. being like a really huge Pink fan, like I just instinctively connected it to these two, and I really, cause I'm a fan of a Pink, like I enjoy this song because of that. There's just so many like sweet similarities, and what I think this does really well is, I think it was just the beginning. It was so sweet and just brings you into the song. This is definitely a good song to just listen to when you're just doing something and you just want, I guess, like a breather, right? Just relaxing. This is a good relaxing song. That's what this is. I enjoy this. This song I would bop. So like, oh, wait, on to the next one.